Let's review how to use the video recorder accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Scroll down and click on the video recorder accordion title bar to access this resource. This recorder works entirely in your browser, turning your screen into a clean professional recording setup. Click the camera icon to activate your webcam and preview your frame before you begin. When you're ready, use the record control to start capturing your video, and stop at any time with using Stop Recording button. After recording, you can use playback tools to review faster or slower, or pop the video into picture-in-picture while working in another tab. Once complete, you can download your recorded video in multiple formats. You can also share it by web link, email, or feedback. If needed, use Clear button to reset your workspace and record again. This recorder is built for clear explanations, client updates, evidence walkthroughs, and internal training. And that's how you use the Toolkit.law's video recorder accordion.